Hi everyone, and I'm back with a step-by-step tutorial of the 5 makeup essentials I spoke of in my last video. Let's start. So first I'm gonna start with the color corrector and apply it to all the areas of discoloration on my face. And now I'm gonna apply the concealer. And now I'm gonna go on with the blush. Next up, I'm gonna use a mascara. And last but not the least, lipstick. This is my favorite everyday shade. So this is my final look guys with the products that I'd mentioned in the previous video. If you have any more queries, please post them in the comments below and I'll be happy to address them. Thank you for watching. Bye.